Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up Java in Visual Studio Code and run your first program. So first I will be showing you how to download and install Java and then Visual Studio Code and run the program. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Java download. We'll be having this link from Oracle. Select this, and here we are having the Java JDK. At this moment the version is 25. Here if you scroll down, we'll be having the download links for different operating system. Just click on Windows and just select this download link for the 64-bit installer. So the download will be getting started. It is around 183 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be getting the Java setup. Select next, and this is going to be the default location where Java will be getting installed in local disk C program files. If you want to change it, just click on change and select the local disk of your choice. I will just go here and create a new folder named Java and just select that new folder and click on OK. That's it. Now select next. This will take some time to install, so just be patient. So now we need to add the Java path to environment variables. For this, just go to the location where you had Java installed. In default, it's going to be C program files. Since I changed this to local disk D, I will go here and I'm having here the Java folder. After this, you need to go inside bin. So in the default case, it will be C program files, Java and bin. So just copy this path with the bin folder and go to search and type environment. We'll be getting this edit the system environment variables. Open it. Here select environment variables, and under user variables or system variables, whichever is enabled for you, click on the path and click on edit. Go to new, paste it, alright, and click OK everywhere. Now if you go to search and open the command prompt, and if I just run the command java space --version, as you can see, I'm getting the latest JDK version 25, the one that we installed. Just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it, and here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next, and this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next, and this is fine. Next. And here is an important thing. Make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes, okay? This will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it, okay? So just click on next, and these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. So first thing, let's get the Java extension. For that, here we are having extensions. Select this and just search for Java. So we'll be having this extension pack. We can click it and it's officially from Microsoft.com. So no need to worry. Just click on install. This will take some time to install, so be patient. If you want to read what this extension does, here are the brief description for debugging, running and testing, for auto completion of code and refactoring code snippets. So many use cases, so it's totally worth getting it. So now we need to open a folder. For that, click on file, open folder, and go to your desired location. Here I will create a new folder. I will just name it Java project and just select it and click on select folder. So this will create us an empty folder like this. Here we are having this new file icon. Click it and let me just name it as demo code.java with the extension and hit enter. So now let me just create here a boilerplate code, just a program that prints hello world, and it's always good to have the class name same as the file name. Now to increase the font size, here we will be having the manage. Select this settings, and here we can change the font size. Anything above 30 will be good. So now let's see how we can run this program. I'll be showing you two ways to do this. One is by using the commands and another one is by using the shortcut extension. So through command, for that just click on this terminal, new terminal. So this will open the terminal in the Java project folder. Here just run the command javac space your program name with the extension, which is democode.java. So this will compile the program and will create this .class file. Now to view this output, it's going to be java space demo code. That's it. As you can see here, we are getting the output. But this command method is quite hard because we have to run this command and wait for some time. So the shortcut is going to be, here we will be having the extensions. Select this and just search for code runner. We'll be having the first one, code runner. Select this and just click on install. This is quite famous for running so many different languages in Visual Studio Code. Now I'll just close it, and here to the top we are having this run code icon automatically getting added. So if I click this, as you can see, I'm getting the output, and if I make any changes like this, save it, and I can simply rerun it so fast. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.